Hey guys, today I have a Dollar Tree haul, and if you want to see what I picked up, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, before we get started into this Dollar Tree haul, I want to say welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today, Around the House with Cheryl. And if you like gardening, cooking, decorating, DIYs, that's what I do. So I hope you consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss out. But before we get into the Dollar Tree haul, I want to show you something that I picked up from Walmart. All this stuff has been sitting around and I finally got around to doing a video. So let's get started. Okay, I got these, this is the Pioneer Woman. It's some casserole dishes. Look, isn't that pretty? I think this would be pretty for summer. It was a two-piece. I can't recall what I paid for it, but it was on clearance. And here's the big one. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Ain't that nice? Let me know down below if you know who says that. Ain't that nice? Okay, so let me get that out the way. It's been sitting around my garage. Okay, wait. Let's see what else. Okay, some of this, like I said, has been sitting around, and I had some other stuff, but I got 8. This is also Walmart, but I got some Krabby Patties gummies for the Easter basket for my grandson, and then they had these Starburst jelly beans. See that? Some M&M's, the pastel colors. Did I anything else from Walmart? Oh yeah, the double bubble eggs. I always like to get these for Easter. Okay. And I found this reduced Dove soap. It was only 55 cents. So that's good. Okay, so let's get into the Dollar Tree haul. This was probably about 3 weeks ago since I've been to the Dollar Tree. I've been kind of staying away and staying at home. But I picked up these shea butter baby wipes. I got those. Let's see what else. In here is heavy. I picked up another box of tissues. Nothing exciting, but you may need them. And I buy this. This is the 2-in-1 laundry detergent, but this one has fabric softener. I buy this to wash my rugs, but I might need it for clothes if I can't get to the store. Let's see what else I got in this bag. I done forgot. It's been a while. Oh, can't give it to him now because he has an upset stomach, but I got some beef kebabs for Teddy. Let me know if y'all have ever tried this for your little fur babies. And then I saw this is the aloe vera soothing gel. So I picked that up. And then for Pantry, I think I got 2 or 3 of these. It's the 2% reduced fat milk. I bought the whole milk before, guys. It's good, even though it's in here. And this is, let's see, a quart. And it is good until February 2021. So I'm going to add this to my pantry. Let's see. I'm telling you, I had some snacks, but my husband got into them and ate them all before I could do my haul. Okay, let's see, what else did I get? I got some Easter candy. These are the cookies and cream eggs. I got a bag of those. And I got peanut butter eggs. Every year I say I'm not buying any more Easter candy because my grandson doesn't eat it, but I do because the colors are so pretty. These are peanut butter cups. Let's see what else. I hope you guys stick around because later on I'm going to do a video on my update on my patio and probably my cutting garden. Okay, I got 3 of these. It's Gloucester Foods, the milk. So, oops, that'll go in my pantry. And then I was going to make something. I already probably made it by now, but I picked up 2 of these Green Giant mixed vegetable blend. Probably use it to make some soup. And then, let's see, what else? This is the last thing, guys, from the Dollar Tree. It's bubble gum pop for the Easter. So, yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope everybody's staying safe and staying home. And like I said, I didn't go to the Dollar Tree. It's been about 3 weeks, and I don't know what I'm all missing, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I hope you guys stay safe and be healthy, and I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe and come outside with me sometimes. I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.